The Siemens A5E02716486-1 PCB card, designed for reliable industrial performance. This PCB card ensures reliable operations across various applications. Featuring a model number of 1015 and specifications like S1ATSP4, it is engineered to meet your business needs efficiently. This printed circuit board is crafted to boost the performance of industrial machinery, ensuring reliability and efficiency across diverse applications. Trust in Siemens innovation to maintain optimal operations and elevate your business industrial capabilities. Unveil the power of the Siemens A5E02716486-1 PCB card engineered for superior industrial performance. This high-quality printed circuit board is designed to enhance machinery efficiency, offering unmatched reliability across various applications. This model number is crucial for identifying and specifying the exact product, ensuring perfect compatibility with your machinery. With Model 1015, you can trust in a solution that aligns with your industrial needs, enhancing operational efficiency and reliability. Explore the technical excellence of the PCB card with S1ATSP4 specifications. The ATSP4 ensures your systems operate at peak performance, meeting stringent industry standards. This card guarantees reliability and superior performance. Tailored for demanding applications, it ensures your systems operate seamlessly, enhancing operational efficiency. Trust in its robust design for a dependable solution that elevates your business capabilities. Thank you, and for more details, visit our website www.ramautomations.com.